Hey guys, my name is Costa, and some very long time ago I tried to reimagine Captcha. And as you can see, in terms of design it's not that good, but the idea is quite fun. So today I'm gonna use AI to try to recreate something similar inside MagicPad. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and I'm gonna put it on pause. Then select the snipping tool and press Ctrl C, go to MagicPad, create a new chat. Inside the chat I'm gonna press Ctrl V to paste it, and I'm gonna ask MagicPad, what do you see in this image? I see a fun fruit selection game. It has 3 colorful fruit cards, blueberry, lime and strawberry, with stop buttons below them, a blue header with the instructions and a start button, and a reCAPTCHA verification at the bottom. Want me to build something like this? Yes. Okay, so this is the first prototype. I'm gonna click on start because I don't see any fruits right here, so let's click on start. Nice. Let's click on stop. Okay, so it's not perfect. What I'm gonna do next, say on preview there are no fruit cards. Cool, so now it looks very good actually. So I'm gonna click on start again. Okay, nice. Now let's click on stop, and next I'm gonna say amazing. Now I want the fruits to be animated on loop from up to down, like in the screenshot I provided. Okay, so let's click on start again. Nice, that is exactly what I want. However, I actually want that there are like a mix of fruits. Right now they are the same fruits, so I'm gonna click on stop to see how it works. It works good. I'm gonna say this looks great, but I want each card to see a mix of fruits. Right now there is the animation with the same type of fruits. What else should I say? Yeah, maybe that is enough. So this is exactly what I want. Now I'm gonna click on stop again and say I want the animated fruit to be bigger and to appear only one fruit at the time inside the card. When I click stop, if the fruit I selected is wrong, then there should be a wrong warning. So let's see. Yes, that is much better, but now we don't have the animation again. Okay, that is good. Watermelon, let's see, apple. Yeah, so unfortunately we don't have the animation anymore, so this looks good, but you removed the animation, so make sure to bring it back. So now it works. That is great, but animation is too fast and I don't like this. So I'm gonna say now it works, but only for one card at the time, and it should work for all the 3 cards, plus the animation is a bit too fast. Great, so that is perfect. Now let's see if I click on this stop button, watermelon. Okay, when I click on stop, it says it's not correct, which is not true. Amazing. But when I click on stop on the right fruit, it says that it's wrong instead of correct. Play start. Okay, let's click on this one. It's wrong. Still, it's not perfect because the animations are not animating at the same time. Let's fix this one and press enter. Okay, now they are animating at the same time. That is great. Let's choose the watermelon. That is correct. But when I click now on one of these and it's correct or wrong, the other two cards are actually stopping as well. So I'm gonna say this works great, but when I click on stop on one of the cards, the other two cards are stopping as well, but they have actually to keep animating until I click stop on their button. Okay, click stop. Nice. Now let's click stop on this one. Alright, so finally it works, guys. That is great news. Let's add a refresh button as well. So I'm gonna ask to add a refresh button next to the Captcha icon. Okay, so this looks great. Now let's click on start. So by mistake I removed the chat, guys, so now I have to actually retype. Okay, so apparently the UI has changed a bit because we lost the chat and we don't have the screenshot anymore right here. So, but it is not a problem because if I click on start and if I select these fruits, it still works. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on refresh again. I'm gonna change this UI manually. So I'm gonna switch the color to blue, switch from gradient to solid, and then let's make it something like this, I guess. The button is gonna be solid as well, and it's gonna be white. And now I'm gonna select the text here and make it white 100%. And this one is gonna be white as well. Now let's add a radius maybe to this of 32 pixels. And let's see, select this card right here and add a color as well. I'm gonna remove this icon right here and make the button maybe wider, 140. And put the width of this to fit container if possible. Center the text. Okay, this looks good. Also, let's see if we can maybe, I don't know, align this to the bottom. Yes, now it's much better. And actually I'm gonna remove this icon. We don't need it. Recaptcha. Yeah, that is actually much better. So yeah, this looks actually very cool. I'm gonna click on save. Let's open it in a new tab and let me click on the start button And voila, let's click on first is watermelon, so I'm gonna wait for the watermelon. That is correct. Now the apple, and let's see the apple. Okay, and the final one is gonna be the cherries, so let's wait for them. So voila guys, that is very cool. Now you can find this project in the description below of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.